United State Bank of India, staying in Virar West, Mumbai. I am going to show a technology related solution which has made my life more easy and I am able to do my work on my own. Here is a site which is open for demonstration on the screen. The problem is captcha solving. The solution to it is as follows. I am demonstrating the solution. Here is the voice of JAWS screen reader.
Enter captcha colon.
Here it says enter captcha.
To get missing image descriptions, go to the context menu and label graphic.
So here is a graphical image related captcha which normally our screen reader is not able to read. But with this innovative solution, the screen reader can read it. The solution is as follows. Pressing on the graphical image, keep the cursor on the graphical image and press insert space like this.
Space.
And then P and C. P for Papa, C for Charlie. Here it goes.
Picture Smart. Picture Smart is in progress. Heading level 4 is text appears in the photo 9. Heading level 4 is text appears in the photo.
Okay, here it said Picture Smart. It processed my captcha and gave me the result. Here is the result. I will navigate to the result using arrow keys and copy the result with shift right arrow like this.
Text appears in the photo.
This text appears in the photo. We don't need that. We just need the result. That is
947 period selected period unselected.
So just need the 6 digit which we have copied.
Copy selection to clipboard.
Using Ctrl C copied. Close this window.
And off enter captcha to get missing images clip change head.
So now here is the captcha field. I am pasting it. Here is the captcha which is pasted. Now if we submit this captcha is solved and whatever we were wanting to do on this site, that will be done within no time. So for this, before we needed sighted assistant, but now with this we can do it ourselves. Thank you.
Breakfreesolutions brought to you by eiLabs and Project Discovery.